Assalamualaikum and greeting everyone. Hi, I'm Teacher Jasmine and today I would like to show a short tutorial video of how using Canva. Okay, so all you have to do is type here Canva, click enter. Okay, so this is it over there. Okay, so this is how it looks like online platform of editing. Okay, so this Canva is actually an online graphic design platform, okay, that allow you create and edit social media graphic, presentation, poster, and other visual content. Okay, so it is available for both mobile and also web and the PC. But of course, you must connect it to internet. Okay, but it is free. You just have to register it using your email. So all you have to do is go to this brochure. Okay, click over there. Alright students, so after you click on the brochure you get this. Okay, so you can choose any template of the brochure here, the template design. An example, just click this. Okay, so all you have to do is delete first this photo. Okay, this is a blank white background, so you go click this, click black. Okay, and then you can upload some photo, maybe from your camera, maybe from the internet. Okay, it's up to you. So this one is a photo that I took from the internet. Okay, so you can just adjust the transparency over here. Okay, see that? Okay, you can adjust it. When you have adjusted transparency, okay, how do we get this kind of fonts? Okay, you just go here, find text, this T symbol. Alright, so there are many texts here. Alright, variety of text, variety of font types. How about this one? Okay, so it will appear like this. Okay, it have separated two box here, so all you have to do is just edit it. So you can just adjust it anywhere. You can turn it around. Alright, you might be want to take this slogan over here, and you feel that this slogan is too small, you can change it over here, right? There are many sizes, or you can just type randomly what size you want. So you also can adjust the box. Alright, and you can just change the alignment. So here also you can just type by who, an example by kumpulan satu or group 1, and then just write your member's name. After you have done editing this for the front part of the brochure, you can now editing for the inner part of the brochure. Okay, so all you have to do is just go to this button, add a new page. Okay, so here you will receive this same background of this. It's okay, you can just click delete on the keyboard. Okay, so you get this, you actually can change the color of the background. Okay, but it's okay, just put white. Okay, so you want to upload some pictures, just go here. Okay, just go to the desktop and find what picture that you want to upload. Alright, and then just upload for the woman. Okay, traditional clothes for women. Okay, so just adjust it a bit to be a bit more center. Okay, there you go. Okay, so you want to put some text for them. Okay, so what all you have to do is go to this T text symbol, click on it. Okay, you can just choose anything here, for example this one. Okay, so you can adjust the font. Okay, don't worry, just click on it, go over here and just adjust it according what size you want. Okay, there you go. So what you want to do is just copy. Okay, Control C and go over here and Control V, which is space. Okay, example, you want the headline, okay, the big title for this baju Melayu, this one baju kebaya. Alright, so then after you done editing all of your brochure from the front part to the inner part, okay, all you have to do is just click this button, this download button. Okay, you have a lot of option here, so you can choose PDF print. Okay, so just click which page you want to print and click done and download. Alright, so then, so this is how your brochure looks like, okay, after you download it in a PDF form. So you can go print to any print shop nearby. Okay, that's all. Thank you.